Bam! It's Robert Phillips, the Funnel Man. Hope everything's going okay for you today. I'm going to show you something really cool inside of Clickfunnels 2.0 that I'm not sure that you knew about, okay? And it's going to be very cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to actually save the pop-up sections. I was in there recreating my pop-up, and I didn't have to. You don't have to recreate your pop-up. All you have to do is save it as a section, and then you can use it all throughout. Like right here, I've got, 8 or 9 pages on my funnel hub. So anyway, I'm going to save you a lot of time. You ready to get with it? Okay, let's do it to it. Let me share my screen. Okay, can you see that? Okay, this right here is my Clickfunnels 2.0, and this is my funnel hub. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to reviews. And if you see reviews there, I'm going to click on reviews and get, I want to get onto the right page, which is right here. And I'm going to come up here to pop up. And once I get to pop up, I'm going to come down here to edit setting. Well, first let's show pop up. So here's the pop up. Okay, but what I want to do is I want to go over here to mobile, because that is what I need to work on, is the mobile. And so first thing let's do is let's go right here to the mobile. So now we have the mobile. So now here's pop up, and let's show pop up. So this is the section that I've been recreating, and I didn't have to. Go figure that. Anyway, I'm going to save you a lot of time and frustration by doing this. Okay, so here it is. Let's hide pop up, and now let's go to edit. Okay, so right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click in here, right in here. Let me go here to layout. Okay, so you get the layout right here. It says section. Okay, so if you see right here, you come over here and it says section right here. And so what you're going to do is come over here, and we're going to go to mobile. Okay. So here is actually, there's the desktop, here's the mobile, okay? So now if you notice, okay, it's here, you got to get in there just right, so there it is, okay? So now once you hover over that, then you're going to come over here, and we're going to click on save. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to name it Pop-Up Mobile. Okay, I'm going to save it as Pop-Up Mobile. And I already have a folder made for this, which is cool. This is my funnel hub, so I'm going to put it in the funnel hub. And I'm not going to make it a universal section, because that's a whole nother thing here, okay? And I will make a video on that. But for now, I named it Pop-Up Mobile. And I'm going to save it in my folder of Funnel Hub, and I'm going to save section. Okay, so I've saved section, and so now I'm going to click save. So we've saved that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is let's come over here and let's go to home. So here's my home page mobile. Let's look at it. Okay, pop up. Let's show pop up. And if you notice, it's not right. My logo's too small. The book image is too small. You can't really see anything. Where you put your email is not wide enough. And so now what I can do is, and this looks like it is, I'm going to unlink this right here, okay? And then we're going to add a new section right here. Okay, so let's go here to layout. Let's go here to sections. And if you click on that, go to the layouts. Okay, there's that. Okay, there's the regular one. There's that one. Okay. And so now, if you see right there, I'm going to add, there it is right there. You just got to make sure that you get it right on the, okay, add section right here. Now I'm going to go over here to assets, saved blocks, okay? And if you notice here, it says pop-up mobile. I'm just giving it a second so it will go ahead and populate in here. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but let's go ahead and refresh. That'll help some, I think. Reload, yeah, let's reload. So let's go here. We were at home, I believe. Yeah, we were at home and we were over here. Okay, and pop up, edit. Yeah, it looks like that was too much for it to handle. So what we're going to do here is I guess I could add section there like that. Let's see if that will work. Okay, and there's pop up mobile. Okay, let's see if it will come on in if I click that. And it did. Awesome. And see, now it's exactly how I wanted it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to get rid of this one. Okay, go ahead and click on edit block. Okay, and this is the one we're going to get rid of right here, right there. And like I say, click ClickFunnels 2.0 still has, a few little bugs in it, but I find this very, very helpful. So anyway, because of its being finicky, I'm going to cut this off right here. But I'm telling you, you can save a whole lot of time creating the pop-up section on your mobile. That way you don't have to redesign everything. Okay, so let me come back over here. I hope that this was helpful. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Since you stayed to the end of this thing, I am going to give you a gift. And that gift is going to be my brand new AI guide that I created for all my clients and my customers and the people that watch my videos. Okay, so it's right here. It's the AI business prompts. And I want you to go ahead and just go to the description and you can pick up the free AI guide. Okay, AI is huge. It's not going anywhere. You might as well learn a little bit about it. Also, if you don't have a ClickFunnels 2.0 account, I'm going to leave my link in the description as well. And a huge announcement here. Real soon, I am going to open up for early bird my Funnel Builder membership. It's going to be a free Funnel Builder membership site if you want to learn to do some of the stuff that I do here on my channel. And it's going to be in the early bird. Everything's in the description. But I hope you enjoyed this. Appreciate you showing up. Let's continue to rock on and seize the day, okay, as they say. Have a good one. Goodbye.